How to check Windows version. Hey there Windows users. Knowing your Windows version is essential for troubleshooting issues, installing software and ensuring compatibility. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you different methods to check your Windows version. Let's dive in. Click on the Start menu and select the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings window, go to System, then About, and here you'll find information about your device, including the Windows specifications, such as edition, version, and OS build. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box and type msinfo32 and hit Enter. This will open the System Information window. Look for the OS name and version fields under the System Summary section to find your Windows version. Or you can use Command Prompt. Press the Windows key plus X and select Command Prompt or Admin or Windows PowerShell from the menu. In the Command Prompt or PowerShell window, type WinVer, which is WinVer, and press Enter. This will open a window displaying your Windows version and build number. There you have it. By using these simple methods, you can quickly check your Windows version to ensure compatibility with software and hardware requirements. Stay informed and keep your system up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks for Windows. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.